Hello, Sam here from Alder Systems, and in this video I'd like to show you how we can limit the amount of motion detection events sending push notifications to your mobile devices by using Booleans. Nice cameras feature IntelliVision or enhanced analytics. This is person, vehicle and motion detection. For instance, when a person is detected on the camera, then it can send a push notification to the end user's mobile device or another viewer interface. That goes the same for vehicle and motion detection as well. Motion detection is based on pixel shift. So if it's a windy day, for instance, and trees are blowing about, then the pixels are shifting and motion will be detected on that camera. If you've got an event map set up to send a push notification to a mobile device, for instance, based on a camera's motion detection, then you will get inundated with push notifications. So we can control these notifications by using Boolean logic, a true or false statement. If the condition is true, then continue to send the push notification to the viewer device. If it's false and has no logical event mapping behind that false statement, then nothing will happen until the statement goes back to true, which has the logical event mapping behind it. Here I've got a basic project in Configurator. I've got my phone on the system and an OD-A4 camera. Under the messaging tab, I have a push notification called motion detection, and the message says motion detection at the front. Under my event maps, I have a basic event map that's called motion detection notification, and when motion is detected on the camera, send a push notification to my mobile device. If I wave my hand in front of the camera, we can see my phone is getting multiple push notifications. Eventually, that may become annoying. So we can add in a Boolean to control the notifications. A Boolean is a true or false statement which can be used as a condition to trigger an action. If the Boolean is true, we can map a command based on that condition being met, or if it's false, we can map another command if that condition's been met. We can also force a Boolean to go to true or false as well, but I'll cover that shortly. Going back to Configurator, if I go to the event mapper and go to Booleans, I'll create a motion detection flag. And I'm going to set it to true. Now I'll go back to the original event map. So when motion is detected and in conditions, I'm going to add in the Boolean. If motion is detected on the camera, if the Boolean state equals true, then send the push notification. This will give us the same outcome though, and multiple notifications. So we need to force the Boolean to go to a false state. In the commands window, I'm going to add a command, and under variables, motion detection flag, I'm going to set the state to be false. So now we can test this. If I wave my hand in front of the camera, my phone gets a notification, and under the Booleans, we see the state is now gone to false. So how can we re-enable this event map as we're not going to receive any notifications anymore? We do this by starting a timer, and when that timer expires, set the Boolean back to true. In Configurator, I'll go to run once timers and add a new run once timer, and I'll call it motion detection timer. Click install. On the original event map, under the commands, I'm going to add the timer and start the timer at 20 seconds. In the real world, you might set this to be a couple of minutes or so. I'm now going to create another event map and call this motion detection Boolean reset. Install. And in the event window, I'm going to go to add timers, motion detection and timer expired, and click OK. And then in the commands, I'm going to set the Boolean back to be true. So when the timer expires, set the Boolean back to true. So I can give this a test now. I'll wave my hand in front of the camera, but first, I'm just going to set the Boolean back to true. If I wave my hand in front of the camera, I get a notification. And if I check the Boolean, it's now gone to false. I'll keep waving my hand, and I get no notifications. And after about 20 seconds, we'll see the Boolean go back to a true state. Wave my hand in front of the camera again. Check the Boolean, it's now gone to false. And then after 20 seconds, that will put its state back to true. And that's Booleans. I hope this video was of some help, and if you are interested in becoming a nice home management certified partner, then do get in touch or look on our website for upcoming training dates. Thank you very much for watching.